DJI OM5 tutorial, ShotGuides. There are two ways to access ShotGuides when using DJI OM5. Method 1. Launch the DJI Mimo app. Tap the ShotGuides icon on the upper left corner and select your favorite scenario and story to start creating. Method 2. In video mode, aim your phone at your subject. The DJI Mimo app will recognize the scenario and the ShotGuides window will pop up automatically. Tap the pop-up window to view different demo shots that are available. Select one, and the app will automatically adjust parameters and display the demo video, along with guidance for composition and camera movement. You can swipe the small window left or right, or enter the ShotGuides interface to select the clips you prefer, and then shoot the video according to the guides. After shooting 6 clips, tap the video generation icon, and DJI Mimo will automatically enable Shot Reel and generate a video for you. Or check out your recommended videos in the DJI Mimo app album. Stunning videos are now at your fingertips, even if you have little or no experience shooting or editing videos.